Just some quick encouraging words, LA108ers, as we round the bend and approach the finish line of our class with your final essay. Keep up your stamina, keep up your growth mindsets, okay? Now's not the time to flag with your efforts. Here is the magic formula for completing your art review. It's your thesis statement. Now, remember, with an art review, you are making a judgment. You're saying a work of art is good, bad, or just sort of boring for certain reasons. And you're using the PIE structure, point, information, explanation, in order to unfold why this work of art is good, bad, or just plain mediocre based upon your reasoning and, of course, your gut aesthetic sense. So, go back and take a look at your writing. I will be giving you feedback, of course, on how focused your thesis statement is. But like that hub of the wheel, if you've got it solidly in place, the rest of your essay is going to roll along just fine. So go check it out. Are you explicitly saying this work of art is, give your judgment, because of what particular reasons? That's it. Okay, good luck. Keep up your good energy.